I have in front of me here a 10 watt outdoor LED floodlight. It's an anti-panic light. Basically, it's an emergency light. When the power goes, this light comes on. Okay, so it's very, very energy efficient in terms of it's using 10 watt, but it's the equivalent of a 94 watt halogen light. It's IP65 rated, so it's suitable for indoor or outdoor use. And the charge time on this, to fully charge the battery on it, is 5 hours, and then they can stay on for a total of 3 hours afterwards. So if we look at the unit, this is the outer unit here, and there's just an instruction manual with it, and it just gets the overall thing. Now I'm just going to say first of all that this is a patented design from a company in Germany called Ladino. These are really top of the range. In terms of the bulb that comes with it, it's rated for 40,000 hours. So basically, if you turned it on and left it on continuously for 5 years, you'd expect the bulb to go sometime after that. So obviously, it's a really long life product here. In relation to the overall specification of it here, we just see the lead here that comes in and the power plug on the end of it. So it's wired directly in. There's an adapter here to be able to adjust this and point it into, it could be covering a corridor, it could be covering an outside area, something like that. There's the battery here, which we have as well. We've an on-off switch on it. And then we have on the main event on the front, we actually have the actual bulb itself. So what we're going to do here is, it's in the off position here, and if I turn the on light on here, it'll actually turn on. So to demonstrate this better, what we're going to do is we're just going to knock off the two lights here. I'll just get my assistant here, just knock off the two lights in the room. And what we'll do is it's going to go completely dark here in a moment. And I'm just going to turn this off, and I'll turn this light on. So we can see here, it's quite a strong, the equivalent of a 100 watt light coming out here. Now there's something quite interesting in this. If I was to take, I'll just turn the lights back on here now for this. If I was to actually come along and take the plug here and plug this directly into the wall, what will happen here is, and I think we can do this without blinding you here, we'll just see here is the very first thing that happens is, because it's an emergency light, it's only going to come on when there's no power coming in. It instantly turns off and it goes directly into charge mode. Okay, so it's part of a much wider range of energy efficient light bulbs that we're adding on. All the LEDs, they're all from A to treble A rated, so it's extremely efficient, and the design on these are extremely high spec. So that's it, an overview of the 10 watt outdoor LED floodlight with anti-panic, basically an emergency light.